Hi, welcome to English Language Arts Reading with C. Tillman. For my class, we will be using Canvas. Once you find this Canvas icon, you go to the home page and everything that you need for my class will be found on the home page. As far as supplies for this class, you do need pencils or pens. You also need some colored writing utensils, colored pencils, crayons, whichever you prefer. You will also need a large spiral notebook, or you could have a large binder with lots of notebook paper in it. On Canvas, when you see this banner, you can click on that and you can email me. Also on Canvas, there's this little camera icon that you can click on that'll connect you to the Zoom meetings. If you ever need extra assistance, there's a link on Canvas that you can click on and set up an appointment so that we can either work one-on-one or in a small group. Google Voice numbers for the 7th grade team are also posted on my Canvas home screen. My number is 252-624-9102. Your daily assignments are found on Canvas. You can just click on this icon on that home page. It will take you to the various weeks. Find the icon for the current week, click on it, and it will take you to your daily assignments. Since we're not face-to-face, we have to get to know you, so we're going to do a discussion board, and this will be weekly, and I will be doing it as you will be doing it, so we can do it together and really get to know each other. This is an example of the first one. It's just welcome back, just some general information about yourself, and always be considerate and respectful to all. Please don't forget to complete that parent information survey that was on my slide. I will be using that information to communicate with your child and you during this school year. Thank you for watching. Let's have a wonderful year. Bye.